have to pay relative to their yearly income. I did this by taking the total cost and having that equal the yearly income minus the yearly income times the tax. I used a raw input so that I had the user input their yearly income. There's ranges of the income that has separate taxes. So if it was an income greater than $415,050, it would be an income of 39.6% or 0.396. It did this for each one all the way down to anything less than $9,275, having a tax of 10%. I had a print statement for each one that had a 0.2 decimal places so that it was a currency. It had a dollar sign so that it shows that it was money that it ended up having to be. I'm going to go through each one and show you how when you input a different number, how it'll do the math separately. I'll start with the first one. Anything greater than $415,000. So I'll hit the run button and it'll ask me what my yearly income will be. I'll put in 500,000 and it's going to be that minus 500,000 times 0.396. So that'll give us $302,000. That isn't exactly an easy one to do in your head, but the math portion of that is correct. Some of these other ones will be easier, that it'll be able to be seen how the math is correct. For the next one, anything between $413,350 and $415,050, that will have a tax of 35%. So if I hit the run button again, and let's say I do $414,000, that'll be taxed at 35%. So it'll be $414,000 minus 414,000 times 35%, which will give us $269,100. For the next one, anything between $413,350 and $190,150. So I'll do $200,000, and that'll be taxed at 33%. It's the same math as all the other ones. The yearly income minus yearly income times tax. That'll give us $134,000. Now anything between $91,000 and $190,000 would have a tax of 28%. I'll do 100,000. This one will be easier for you to see the math. So $100,000 times 0.28 would give us $72,000. You can do that in your head. That shows that the math is accurate. Anything between $91,000 roughly and about $38,000 will be 25% tax. So I'll do 50,000. This would be another one of the easy ones to see the math. That would give us $37,500. Again, 25% of 50 would be 37.5 roughly. Or it would be 12.5, but the way the math is set up, it will give us $37,500. Between around $38,000 and $9,000, so I'll do 15% tax of $10,000. That'll give us $8,500, which is easy math at this point. And then lastly, anything less than $9,000, I'll do 10% of $8,000, which should give us $72,000. So that is how the tax of each income was determined, and showed the total cost of the 2016 taxable income brackets and rates. Thank you.